the call. He's hit it in the air. Fielder trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective. He almost swung himself off his feet. Tries it again. Should only be one. There is only one.
All the wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power and the whip of the wrists in this shot.
This is magnificent. Have a look at this. The recoil. It could have been a little fuller, but it was pretty full. The targeting of the boundary. Have you seen a shot like that?
It's like a coiled spring, wasn't he?
Dhoni this time. My goodness. Well, I don't know what I've seen. A bit on the mat. That is just incredible. 44 gone. This is nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son. Dhoni this time. My goodness. Well, I don't know what I've seen. A bit on the mat. That is just incredible. 44 gone. This is nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
The running gave himself a little bit of room and just chipped it over extra cover. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot. And disappeared.